Hi guys, this is Marie per Vlogs and right now nandito po tayo sa isang center para magpa-swab test po. Pero bongga ngayon kasi kaya nga nandito kasi sa ng sasakyan kasi drive-thru swab test po siya. So, nakapila lang po kami. Sobrang kagad na ako. Kanina pumunta kami sa isang center. Hindi nila ako inallowed kasi yung sa health card ko is iba yung location. And yun talaga yung location na kailangan kong puntahan para magpa-swab test. So ngayon, nandito ako ngayon sa location, another health center para sa swab testing ko as per kung ano yung nakalagay sa health card ko.
Kahit ba?
Sa ilong siguro, sir. And there you go guys, it's done for my swab test. Finally I'm rest, so inshallah after 2 days I'm going to receive the result of my swab test. I'm hoping that everything is okay, hoping and praying that the result of my swab test is negative.
Ito po ang hirap. Nasusuka po ako pag umiinom na. Tapos hindi hinga na maayos kasi may sipon. Tapos masama pa ang pakiramdam. Medyo may sinat pa ako. So, sige lang. Tiwala lang.
Good morning guys. Pagigising lang natin. Pero masama pa rin ang aking pakiramdam. Andun pa rin yung sakit ng katawan. Tapos yun lang naman din. Masakit pa rin ang katawan ko. Dito sa balakang, ganyan. Na parang gusto mo siyang i-stretch. Gusto mo mag-exercise. Ganyan. Medyo nanghihina pa rin. Kain tayo guys ng breakfast. Yan guys ang aking breakfast for today. And ginger coffee, sliced bread, tsaka saging. Hello, good morning. It is day 3 simula nung na-swab test po ako. Na-swab po ako dated February 27 and today is March 1, so 3 days na po. And kumusta naman ang lagay ng aking health or aking katawan? Well, masaya naman kasi hindi pa naman nawawala yung taste bud ko at saka sense of smell. Nandiyan pa rin sila. I can eat. Yan nga lang kasi hindi masyadong parang nagkikreate na gustong kumain ng kumain. Kumakain lang para magkalaman ng sikmura para iinom na naman ng gamot guys, ganyan. Pero yung sakit sa ulo, bumabalik lang siya, parang may binabalik-balikan, ganyan lang. Usually sa gabi umaatake yung sakit ng ulo, ganyan. Tapos yung tulog ko naman on and off siya, hindi yung dire-diretso na tulog. Tapos yung sakit ng katawan, katulad ngayon dito sa left hand ko hanggang sa likod, kalahati niya is masakit na parang may nakadagan, ganun lang. And overall okay naman siya. Wait, yung paghinga ko pala, minsan nahihirapan ako, minsan okay naman po siya, pero hindi ako pwedeng magsalita ng matagal kasi nasushort yung breath ko. Ayun lang guys for today ang update ko kayo ulit bukas. Thank you. Hello guys, good morning. Kagigising lang natin guys. Tapos syempre, na tayo, toothbrush, face wash. Yan. And right now, I'm having my breakfast. Okay. A mug of ginger tea. Ayan. A mug of ginger tea. And then, sandwich. Ayan, may sandwich. And of course, 1 piece of banana. Ito palagi ang breakfast ko. I will update you again, guys. Hi guys, good evening. Time check, it's 8:45. Bale, kaninang alas 6, kagising ko lang. And wala akong ginawa kundi matulog. Kaya masakit yung likod ko. So far ngayon, tuwing gabi, yung ilong ko masakit. Usually pag gabi din, umaatake yung parang may kunting bara, ganon. Tapos, nagmamasal pain ako. Minamasahe ko yung katawan ko. Konting galaw-galaw, shake-shake, ganon. Para yung mga natutulog na ugat is magising. Ayun guys. Okay, more updates to come guys. Hi guys, good morning. It's me, Mariper Vlogs, and today's video, I'm going to tell you all that my COVID journey is finally over, and this is my first day at work after being infected by coronavirus. So I am happy and I'm glad to tell you all that I'm a survivor and I did it. I overpassed, or I encountered those severe symptoms that I have experienced during my quarantine days. And here we go. It's my first day at work, and it's finally over. My COVID journey is finally over, and today marks another journey, another story to tell, a new chapter to begin with. So thanks God for everything, for the strength that He bestowed on me, and to all my friends and Team Solid, subscribers, friends, colleagues, for the love, the inspiring thoughts, and all your prayers. Thank you so much, and to God be the glory. Thank you.